Before and after is a fun way to practice putting quantities into order. The goal of this game is to figure out one before and one after the quantity in the middle. When you begin a game, first look at the quantity in the middle of the board. In this problem, there are 2 dots inside, which means you must find the number that comes one before 2 and the number that comes after 2. Now, look at the bottom row of quantities. These are the possible answers you have to choose from. Which of these do you think comes before 2? Click and drag the answer onto the before spot. Since the move we made is correct, the piece stays in place. If the answer is wrong, like this move, a red X appears and the piece moves back to its spot in the line below. Now, figure out which number comes after 2 and drag that one onto the after spot. Since we completed that problem, the progress meter moved up and a new problem appeared. After completing 4 problems during a game, the progress meter will fill up and you'll earn 4 stickers. As you move up in games and rounds, the problems will get a little trickier. The quantities on the board will be a mix of both dots and numbers. Plus, the quantities will start to get higher. No matter what, always focus on finding the quantity one before and one after the quantity in the middle of the board. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing before and after. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click on the directions button below the game. Good luck!